Okay, so today now we are going to learn about XML. Okay, so if you want our own tags, okay, but not using HTML tag, HTML tag, body tag, head tag. If you don't want to use, if you want to use our own tags, then we use XML for this. Okay, so now I want to display this content on the web page. Okay, so how are we going to do this? We need three files. We have to create three files with extension .xml, .extensible Markup Language, .dtd, which is document type definition, and the third one is .css. Okay, cascading style sheet. Okay, now we're going to start with the first page.xml. Okay, now here I am creating root as company. Okay, so company name is the root name. Along with that, you have to see, which is very compulsory, is company.xml. Okay, so the name of the file should also start with the root name, which is company.xml. Okay, so I have done that. Then I'll write Google over here. I'll start filling the content. Now I'll just write founders. Okay, I'll just copy paste it, the name. Okay, in order to save time. Okay, and the third one we have is founded on. So we'll write founder. I'll just write founded on. Okay, now over here I'll write September. This is the when it was founded. I'll just write the content over here. So this is one. Okay, I'll just save it. The same thing I'll copy over here. Okay, now this was in Google, so I'll just create this as Google. Okay, I'll just create spaces. Okay, I'll just change this because we have to keep the same everywhere. So I'll just write details over here. Okay, and okay, so this was I'll close the detail. Okay, now copy this. Now how many companies we have? I'll just okay. We have 4 companies, so I'll just copy paste this 4 times, and then we are good to go. Okay, now I'll change the company name over here, the founders over here. Let me clear all this and I'll get back to you. Okay, so done. Now I'll just copy paste. I've only clear these things. Okay, my company name is Facebook, so I'll just Mark Zuckerberg. Okay, and the last, which is founded on. Now I'll fill up all the remaining 2, and then I'll continue. I'll just fill and be there. Okay, so now I have entered all the details over here. Okay, now so this file is completed. Just this should be ended. Now I have one. First I'll just do this. So you don't want this. So okay, so now I've just written these two lines over here. Okay, so this is href means the CSS file we're going to use. Okay, which is linking of this, and this doc type company, the name of the file over here, system company.dtd, which we are going to create now. I'll just close over here the company tag. Okay, and let me show you. After writing these two lines, okay, after writing these two lines, now we'll create another file. Okay, we'll save that file name as company.dtd. company.dtd. Okay, now in this, what we are going to write is how can the browser understand which element is for which thing. So this is just for the computer to know that which tag is used for what thing. Okay, company. In this, what we had was details. The root had details in it. Just save this. Okay, okay, now in this we had, in details we had over here we can see that name, founder and founded on. So we'll write these things in this: name, founder, founded on. Okay, this is also done. Now let's move to next one. Remove this. First we'll consider name now. Okay, now the compiler should understand that there is something which is there inside, some data inside name tag. So what we are going to write is hash pc data. Okay, this is all we have to. This is okay. Just copy this and I'll write this 3 times because we have 3 columns, right? Now over here I'll just write founder. Okay, now founded on. Okay, so this is all we have to do in the DTD file. Okay, company.dtd. Now just save this, create a new file. Now over here we are going to create a CSS file. So what I am going to write is Control S. Okay, so my file name was, over here we can see this, styling.css. So I'm just going to save this file as styling.css. That 2 lines were for linking of, like I have to jump to this file for this details. So this was there. Okay, now CSS file, I'll just show you. Okay, now we'll just create the CSS file over here. Right, so details. First we'll go with company. Okay, how are we going to style it? If you're no CSS, then you all can skip this part and just directly see the output. For others to see, I'm just doing this. I'll just set as red. Then again I'll set width also. Width 100%. Okay. Then I'll just take background size to be cover. Then background repeat. We don't want any repeat or repetition of background. If you are okay, in background color I'll just take as any of the color. Now I don't know, I'm just taking blue color. Cool. Now company background has been done. Now we'll move to details. Okay, see now over here it's visible to us as details, so please go and change from details to detail and then please proceed ahead. Okay, I'll just do the changes over here. Sorry for the inconvenience, but maybe it's a tag before in HTML, I think so. So I'm just going to change everything. So I've done the changes over here everywhere. Let me just take DTD file. Right. Now I'm just going over here. In detail file, I'll also add CSS code. Okay. Display. And everywhere you have to write, other than the root one, write this block. Now this is for you all don't have to do this. A simple would do. I'm just improvising this. A simple, if you all want simple, then you all can go with this. Okay. This is all according to me I'm doing. If you all don't want to do this type of CSS thing, then you can skip this part and directly go to the output part. Okay, text align should be center. Now this is not this is name, right? Now I have founder, display. No, I'm not going to make these things look that much. Okay, just color I'll change to orange and text align, so that, and if you get any problem you all can comment it. If you think something is wrong, it is not there. I've confirmed it. I've run the after running also we can check this. So at that time you'll understand. You all will be understanding it. Okay. Now the last one is founded on. Okay. In founded on also display is equals to block. Same. Just copy paste from here to here in order to save time, because this is not necessary. We have done with 3 and now we are good to go. Now everything, just save everything, No, I don't remember. I've saved everything now. Now just go to. Now we can't run from here. Now we can't run this from here. Okay, so what we are going to do is we'll just see the path. Save as, and I'll just copy the path from here. Here also I can do this. Okay. Now cancel this and go to file browser. Maybe you are going to get this, get the output on. Two are opened. Okay. Now mine was company. Open with Internet Explorer. Now let us see if there is the correct output which we want. Otherwise we have to do some improvisation. Okay, let it load. It's going to take some time. Okay, please correct this thing. Okay, there was inverted closing inverted commas were missing, that's why this wasn't highlighted before. Now it has got highlighted. Now let me change something. Rest all over is perfect. These are my original files. Okay, now company, this is okay. So we are good to go now. Now again let me see. So this is what we have to do. So this is the output when if you want to learn more about this, please comment down in the comment section below, or you can go to W3 schools. Just type over here W3 schools and learn more about it. Okay, so this was all about XML. Hope you got it. Thank you.